U.S. officials say the U.S. banking sector is stabilizing and Asian and European markets bounce back from yesterday's rout. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. The U.S. banking sector is stabilizing after the recent failures of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank rattled the industry. That's what Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen will tell us Summit today, according to prepared remarks. The collapse has caused a crisis of confidence, with many customers of similarly sized banks withdrawing their money and depositing it in larger institutions. But her remarks say aggregate deposit outflows from regional banks have stabilized following authorities' moves to shore up confidence and stem contagion. Asian and European markets bounced back today from yesterday's rout, with lenders encouraged by easing concerns of another financial crisis. The panic that characterized trade over the past 11 days appeared to have faded after central banks and leading economies pledged support for depositors and troubled banks. Still, the takeover of Credit Suisse by UBS for $3.25 billion is fanning concerns about what could be next on the chopping block, and analysts warn it's too early to declare the crisis as over. EFG Hermes' investment banking division has successfully closed Value's fourth securitized bond issuance. The transaction, worth $27.71 million, comes as part of a wider approved and recently extended $129 million program. Value is a lifestyle-enabling fintech platform for the MENA region. EFG officials say the issuance and the three issuances prior are testament to the confidence of investors in Value and its business model. Russia's Gazprom is supplying China with a record amount of daily gas through its Siberia pipeline. The announcement came as President Putin hosted his counterpart, President Xi, for a second day, with the leaders expected to sign agreements including on economic integration. In a statement, Gazprom said it delivered China's requested volumes and set a new historical record. It didn't share the exact amount. Last year, deliveries via the Siberia pipeline reached an all-time high of 15.5 billion cubic meters. Family businesses with a company purpose connected to the UN's Sustainable Development Goals are performing better than their peers across multiple financial and social metrics. That's according to PwC's 11th Global Family Business Survey. Family businesses with a communicated ESG strategy have 62% trust from customers, while those that don't have a strategy have 49% trust. Still, 67% of family businesses put little to no focus on ESG. And traits like values, employee communication, and digital capabilities stood out in companies that outperformed their peers. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes RealTime Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest winner today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $5.3 billion with net wealth of $211.9 billion. Our second biggest winner today is Warren Buffett, up $3 billion with net wealth of $104.6 billion. And our third place winner is Elon Musk, up $2 billion with net wealth of $186.8 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires. Luxury Italian car maker Ferrari says it was the victim of a cyber attack targeting confidential information about its customers, but it says it refused the ransom demand. Ferrari says it informed customers and was working to reinforce the security of its systems, assuring there was no impact on its operational functions. The hackers had access to certain customer data, such as names, addresses, email addresses, and telephone numbers, but not bank details. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.